In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Canva. Flipping an image is a quick way to change the direction of a subject, correct orientation, or create a mirrored look for layouts and collages. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get it right the first time. Start by opening your design in the Canva editor and adding the image you want to flip. You can upload a photo from your device, or choose one from Canva's library. Once it's on your canvas, place it roughly where you want it to go. Don't worry about perfect positioning yet. We'll fine-tune it after the flip. Next, click directly on the image. This is important because the editing toolbar appears only when the image is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around it. If you don't see the flip controls, click the image again to make sure it's active. Now, look at the top toolbar and find the flip button. Click it to reveal your flipping options. You have two choices here. Flip horizontal will mirror the image from left to right. This is ideal for changing the direction a person or object is facing, or for balancing a composition where you want the subject to look inward. Flip vertical will flip the image upside down, which can help with reflections, playful layouts, or correcting images that were taken at an odd angle. Choose the direction that suits your design. As soon as you apply the flip, take a moment to review the result. If your image includes text or logos, a horizontal flip will mirror them, which usually doesn't look right. In that case, consider leaving it unflipped or replacing that element with a version that reads correctly. After flipping, adjust your image to fit the overall layout. Click and drag to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions intact. Canva's snapping guides will help you align the image with other elements and the center of your design. If your image sits behind or in front of the wrong elements, use the position controls to reorder it so everything stacks correctly. Take a final look at spacing and balance. Small tweaks to size and placement can make a big difference in how polished your design feels. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.